Alrighty, we're here for the F-5 Tiger 2s. After these three, then that fourth one's going to come flying through here fast. Golly! Where's that fourth one? Where's that fourth one? There he is! God dang! God, he's low to the ground. There are the F-5s and the Diamond. Yeah. What? Yeah.
We got it from
Yeah. Nope, I know those jets will be turning around and coming back. There they are. I see them way off in the distance there. Took them a few minutes to get over here because it took them a bit to get in formation. Back here shortly.